Okay, so welcome you guys to today's tutorial, and today we shall be looking at how to create a website, a free website using Google. So this is just like the one I did previously. You can see I used Google to create this free website. You can see I think so you can easily create this website using Google. Okay, you can create this website using Google. Okay, so we'll dive into it now. We just open sites.google.com. Now it will open, these are the templates. So please make sure you sign in your Google account. Once you sign in your Google account, then you open this site.google.com. It will open in this way. You can see mine is already signed in at this right hand corner of my browser. So I will be using this blank site to start from scratch. I want to start from scratch to build this website. So this is a template. I want to change the background of this template. Come to this theme. I can just click on this fiction. So you see it has changed. So the text of this background is what I want to change. So I want to enlarge it, make it space, then stretch this, then drag this, so you can see. Okay, now the next thing for us to do is what? Enter the site name. I want to give it a site name, KC Web Tech. KC Web Tech. Then I enter my logo. Then I upload logo. Choose for my logo. You can see the logos have a place. Now imagine that I want to change this background to an image. This background of this theme, I want to put an image. So I'll just click on image, upload. So I'll look for any image which I want to use. Okay, let me see if I can use another. Let me change it. It's too faint. Okay, let me see if I can use this. Okay, let me use that. Now I'm done with this image, site name, then this theme. Now I want to create something of this nature. Something of this nature. So what I'll just do is we'll come to my inserts. You can see this layout. I can choose any of them, then click on it, then put any picture here. So you can use your right picture, though I'm just doing this as a tutorial so you get it. Then you want to put this, centralize it, then click on here, then centralize it. That's it. Then the text, so I copy the text in one place, so I'll put my text there. Now we want to drag this image so it will be in alignment with this word. So we'll click on it, then you drag it down. Okay, so you can see they are in the same space. So the next thing for us to do now, we see something of this nature. So we won't be doing everything, so we just have to do some of the fraction of it, so you know what and what to do. Okay, let's say something of this nature, want to do something of this nature, that is, we'll be putting our service. So what we'll do, they will click what? Text box, they'll put our service. Now you want to make it a title, click on its title, then click here to align it to center. Good and fine. You can see we have made this a virus, the services. Now these are the services which are doing, so we want to put a content on it. Now the next thing for us to do, we'll be using these 3 layouts, okay? Because we want to, you may have 3 types of service which you are doing, or you may have 4 types or 5 whatsoever. So you just click these 3 or 4, whatsoever thing you want. These are layouts, you just choose which is preferable. So we choose this layout, they'll insert the picture. Insert this picture. Insert this picture. Now talk about what are you doing. Just type it there. Graphic design, SEO, then web design. You can see it. You can just delete this. If you have a write-up want to put under, you can just put it under there. I'm deleting this one. So you can see it. Our services, we have graphic design, SEO, web design. So now imagine you want to do something like this again. Let's say you want to do this. Okay, our support. If you are doing support, you just have to choose these 2 layouts. This layout there, this is just it here. First and foremost, you have to choose the first layout. Okay, we have to do that. Let's see how it goes. Then we click on text box, we click on supports, then put it in title, then you align it to center. Okay, then the next thing for us to do, this what we want to do now. Okay, this is it. Now the next step for us to take is to so the next thing for us to do is to input the image. And now, so we come here, click upload. We'll be using, okay, you can drag it down if you want to drag it. The subheading, well, there's training and support. We have training, and support. So you can reduce the text size which you want. You can reduce the text size. Okay. Or preferably we can leave it that way. Then just change this on to okay, so I just put any write-up. I'm putting any write-up, though yours might be a meaningful one, so have a meaningful write-up which you are using. So I'm just using this as a tutorial, as a guide. Just put my write-up there. Okay, make sure you drag this in, make sure it will align with same space. Okay, you can see how both of them are aligned. So this have been able to create our free website. It's a website now. Now imagine now I want to put the footer. I'll just click on add footer, the footer, then copyright out KC Web Tech. Then I want to take it center, centralize it, my center. Then imagine I want to give it a color. Just click on this section color. You can put image. I want to give it a style. choose another style. This white. Okay, better. Okay, so we have successfully created our website. This is a website, and the next thing for us to do is to launch. Now if you're looking at this now, if you get to this page now, you see is this home. Now if you want to create multiple pages, you want to create home, about us, contact us, just write this. You see these three dots, click on these three dots, or you will be just what, add, click on add new page, add new page. To show you a new page, you just click about us, then click on add. You see about us. So the next thing for you to do is to be building the same way. You can see home here, this is about us. Go to this home you are built. Okay, if you come to this about us, it's about us. So you start building. Now you want to be building, yes, insert this again, about us. So this is how you'll be able to build your free website using Google, guys. You see how amazing it is, right? So you can see I've created this. Now also if I want to create contact us, just click page, add contact us. Contact us. So this contact us here. You can see contact us here. So if you want to do contact, you can also use Google website to create contact form. Once you create a contact form, the next thing for you to do, just copy the link and append it here. Okay, now this is our home, this is our contact us, about us, but you want this one to come, just drag it, bring it down, it will come like this: home, about us, contact us. So this is how to create your website. Now the next thing for us to do is to launch, publish this website, which is this. Just publish it. You say give it a name. This is a name, Casey WebTech. The name I'm giving it. Okay, just click publish. Now I want to view it. So this is my website. You can see it has come live. You can see it. You can see it has come live, right? So this is how to create a free website using Google. If I give someone this link, to click, this is what to be showing. Okay, this is what to be showing. Now I want to send it to another browser to open it. Open it to this browser. That is the link. So you can see it has opened the website. Okay guys, so please, if you find this tutorial interesting, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that like button to expect more for us. Thank you guys for staying tuned.